Whew, crikey, good morning. So here we are on a nice sunny autumn day. It's finally stopped raining and I will now be able to fix the wing mirror on my car. So let's see how we need to do that. Okay, so we know how to take the back cover off, so that's all cool. You would think that it would be a simple process, that the screws would be easily accessible. Well, two of them are. There's one behind this grommet, and if you pull this thing out, then there's another one behind there. Unfortunately, the third one is just up and behind here, so the only way to get to that is to take the whole door card off. So how do we do that? Well, there are a number of screws. So there's one in here behind this cover. See that there? That one there. So you'll need to take off the cover, because there's one up in here, probably can't see it, but also there's one at this end, down the end there. Not sure if you can see that or not, but there's definitely one down in there. There is a screw on the end. There are two screws. That's covered, got a little cover over it that you just pop off using one of those. Then there's another one here, and of course one back up behind here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws that I'm aware of.
The star drives. That one's a still extended screw. But that's a star, that's a star. The one down in here is a star. The top drive. There's that. Only one is not.
Okay, so luckily I have my little power built little set, and that has a star drive, and it just reaches far enough to be able to get to reach down in there to get that out.
get all the fun jobs.
Popped off around the bottom. Or does that need to come out? Just because sometimes they do. Just to be difficult. There you go. Okay, so let's take this off, and that just pull it out to unclip it and slide it up. There's a couple of clips there that go in there. And then that should just come up. Oh, got it. Where did that go? Don't want to lose that. Make things nice and clean and tidy again. All that just to get to there. Okay. Shh. Shh. Oh. All right. Now these screws are just normal screws. And that's what this screws onto, that bit there. That should just pop out. Oh, there we go. Okay, so when you take the mirror off, you need to unhook that. And then obviously that gets connected back up at the end. Okay, so let's go and get the replacement mirror. Okay, so I have the replacement mirror, so we just do the reverse to get it all back up and running again. It is the same. Yep. So before I go too much further, I want to test that the mirror works.
So I will look and get hold of the guys that I've got from. Push the crooks back in, around the car. And then screw everything back up. No, it doesn't work. Fantastic. Luckily, I can still do it with my hand. Oh, there's some left go in there. I have to go back to it. Oh, I just sitting there.
The extension on. Okay, so I got it all back together in the end. Everything all screwed in, all nicely. It still irritates me about that not working. But I got the back clipped on, so it matches the car again, and I can manually adjust it for the moment. As I said, it's still under warranty, so I can always always return it when I get the time. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you again later. Bye.